most of the YouTubers talking nonsense nowadays.
Parents have sex every day for the rest of your life.
But these 5 books wrote by your favorite YouTubers literally change your life. The first book, Feel Good Productivity by Ali Abdal. Forget about time hacks. This book explains why you feel lonely in doing the simple task and how to fix it.
In this book, my favorite takeaway was a WHR technique for 12 months. What is a WHR technique? W means work, H means health, and R means relationship. We have to do a 3 simple tasks every day for work, for health, and for relationship. Second book is Mint Your Money by Pranchal Kamra. He is a YouTuber as well. Your salary disappear fast, right? This book teaches you how to stress free, even 100 rupees left, because it's designed for the salaried people, about investing, about savings, and also I learned the emergency funds from this book when I started my first job. Third book is the same YouTuber and the author Pranchal Kamra. The book name is Investonomy. Its book not explain how to get rich quickly, but it's explain how companies grow, lose, and recover from the debt, and how the stock market works for the beginner. Fourth book is Do Epic Shit by Ankur Warik. This book is all about one-line lessons that will teach you how to rebuild after failures, how to use it, what is your in hand right now. The Rudest Book Ever by Shwetab Gangwar. This book, the favorite lesson I take away is that treat your life as a nation, as a country, and you are the president of this nation. You will decide who will enter, and you will decide who will got your heart, and you will decide how to defend your country and how to grow. And yes, this is the Shwetab Gangwar who is making the reaction videos nowadays. Comment down your favorite books by your favorite YouTubers and mention if you read it already these books.